Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. In this course we focus on orthographic and isometric views, two essential tools for hotel design. These views are not just technical drawings, but communication tools that bridge the gap between designers, engineers, and technicians. You will see how these perspectives make complex systems easy to understand. By the end of this session, you will be able to interpret these drawings with confidence and apply them in real hotel projects. This knowledge forms the foundation for accurate planning, smooth installation, and reliable maintenance in 5-star hotel systems. What are orthographic drawings? Now let us begin with orthographic drawings. These are two-dimensional views of a three-dimensional object, typically shown as the front, top, and side. Imagine standing in a hotel equipment room and viewing a pump from the front, then from above, then from the side. That is what orthographic drawings capture. They provide exact dimensions and accurate placements, ensuring that engineers and technicians know where every component should go. This method eliminates guesswork and supports precise planning for service areas, utility rooms, and tight spaces where accuracy is essential. Advantages of orthographic views. Orthographic views have several benefits that directly impact hotel projects. They simplify even complex layouts by breaking them into clear perspectives. During fabrication and installation, these drawings act as precise guides. Dimensions can be cross-checked easily, reducing construction errors and saving costs. Inspectors rely on orthographic views to verify compliance with codes. Maintenance staff also benefit, as these views remain a reliable reference long after construction is complete. In short, orthographic drawings bring clarity, accuracy, and long-term usability, which are vital for smooth hotel operations. Isometric drawings. Let us now turn to isometric drawings. These are three-dimensional representations shown on two-dimensional paper. Picture a piping system in a boiler room, drawn in a way that shows depth, angles, and connections. That is the power of isometric views. They make spatial arrangements easy to understand, showing how systems fit together in reality. Technicians use them to visualize the layout before actual installation, reducing confusion. They also highlight slopes and bends, helping teams plan for accuracy and troubleshooting. Isometric drawings bridge design and practical implementation seamlessly. Applications in hotels. Both orthographic and isometric drawings find wide applications in hotels. They are essential in HVAC equipment rooms, guiding the installation of pumps, chillers, and boilers. Electrical panel rooms and circuits are laid out with their help. Plumbing risers and drainage networks are made clear through these views. Cable trays and duct systems are also illustrated for precise routing. By applying these views, hotel projects achieve safe, efficient, and error-free installations. They provide the structure for multiple teams to coordinate and deliver high-quality infrastructure. Benefits of orthographic in hotels. Orthographic drawings bring unique benefits when applied in hotel settings. They ensure accurate placement of equipment and support easy verification during inspections. Maintenance planning becomes smoother because every component's location is clear. On-site confusion is minimized since contractors follow a common reference. Renovations and expansions can also rely on these permanent records. For owners and operators, orthographic drawings provide transparency, accountability, and long-term value. They remain one of the most important tools for consistent and reliable hotel engineering. Benefits of isometric views. Isometric views also deliver strong advantages. They simplify complicated piping and wiring networks, presenting them in a visual way that is easy to follow. Material estimation becomes straightforward since lengths, bends, and connections are visible. Technicians find them useful during installation because the layout looks realistic. The chances of clashes between systems reduce dramatically. Isometric views also allow new staff to quickly grasp existing layouts, improving efficiency in training and handovers. For hotels, they save time, reduce mistakes, and support operational reliability. Combining views for better planning. When orthographic and isometric views are combined, planning becomes far more effective. Orthographic views provide precision in dimensions, while isometric views show how everything connects in space. Together, they give a complete understanding of the project. This dual approach helps coordinate mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. It prevents conflicts, supports smoother workflows, and reduces rework. Inspections and approvals become easier with such comprehensive documentation. Using both views side by side is a best practice that ensures accuracy and safety in hotel projects. Reading orthographic drawings. To read orthographic drawings effectively, one must identify the front, top, and side views. Each view gives a unique perspective that must be understood in relation to the others. Dimensions and equipment locations must be verified carefully. Structural elements also need attention to avoid misalignment. Legends and notes act as essential guides for interpretation. Misreading even one detail can result in costly installation errors. For technicians, accuracy in reading orthographic views ensures smooth construction and precise operation of hotel systems. Reading isometric drawings. Reading isometric drawings requires following the three-dimensional representation closely. Pipes, ducts, and cables are shown with slopes, bends, and angles. Routing through walls, ceilings, and floors is made clear. These drawings also show accessibility for future maintenance. Symbols indicate junctions, connections, and flow directions, which must be checked carefully. When technicians read isometric views properly, they reduce errors, save time, and ensure installations are carried out exactly as planned. These drawings become a practical guide for real-world hotel engineering work. Symbols in orthographic views. Symbols play a central role in orthographic drawings. Pumps, fans, and valves are represented through simple icons. Electrical switches, panels, and outlets are also shown symbolically. Pipes, ducts, and fittings use standard notations. Legends provide explanations for each symbol. This system avoids confusion and allows quick interpretation. Symbols make drawings compact and readable, ensuring that everyone from engineers to technicians understands the design. Consistency in symbols across projects ensures smooth communication and efficient work. Symbols in isometric views. Isometric views also rely heavily on symbols. They indicate flow directions, show junctions, and mark equipment connections. Cable trays, ducts, and piping paths are represented with clear notations. By following these symbols, teams can assemble systems accurately. Legends clarify meanings, reducing the risk of mistakes. Correct use of symbols is critical in saving time and avoiding rework. They act as a universal language understood by all technical staff, making isometric drawings reliable tools for hotel engineering. Checking consistency. Consistency across drawings is essential for smooth project delivery. Symbols must always match the legends provided. Orthographic and isometric drawings should align with each other to avoid contradictions. Material specifications, equipment details, and standards must be verified. Consistent drawings improve communication and build trust between project teams. They prevent delays caused by errors and reduce costly rework. Even future renovations benefit from well-maintained consistent documentation. For hotels, this consistency ensures that systems operate safely and reliably. Common mistakes to avoid. There are some common mistakes to watch out for. Ignoring legends often leads to misinterpretation. Mixing scales between orthographic and isometric drawings creates errors. Overlooking hidden services can cause clashes during construction. Misreading flow directions can disrupt operations entirely. Failing to update drawings after modifications adds confusion for future work. Avoiding these mistakes is crucial for ensuring safety, precision, and long-term functionality in hotel projects. Best practices. Best practices in working with drawings include always cross-checking dimensions and coordinating across all services. Updates should be made immediately after changes. Both orthographic and isometric views should be used together for complete understanding. Teams must rely on legends and standard templates to interpret symbols correctly. Drawings should be reviewed thoroughly before construction begins. Clear communication and proper documentation ensure that hotel projects are executed smoothly and maintained effectively in the long run. Practical examples. Let us look at some practical examples. HVAC duct layouts are often shown in isometric views to illustrate airflow paths. Electrical risers are typically displayed orthographically to highlight distribution points. Plumbing networks may combine both styles to show risers and routing. In boiler rooms, piping layouts are presented in detail using both views. These real-world examples demonstrate how theory translates into practice, helping hotel teams execute complex projects with clarity and confidence. Benefits to hotel operations. The correct use of these drawings provides direct benefits to hotel operations. Installations of complex systems are smoother and more accurate. Maintenance issues are reduced thanks to clear documentation. Coordination among teams improves significantly, enhancing safety and efficiency. Guests enjoy uninterrupted comfort because systems run reliably. Owners save costs by avoiding errors and delays. Drawings also provide a long-term reference for renovations and expansions. In short, well-interpreted views support safe, efficient, and guest-focused hotel operations. Thank you for completing this session. Please visit HEGSDC.com to continue your learning journey. Complete the course to download your certificate. Take this knowledge forward as a service leader. By applying these skills, you can create hospitality experiences that inspire and delight.